Okay, good afternoon, Budhe. Yes, good afternoon. Yes. Okay, last day we discussed about how to enter bullets, sorry, how to create a table. And we discuss how to rotate text, how to modify text, something like that. Okay, so today I wanted to write about bullets and numbering. Okay. First of all, we are writing about bullet list. Okay. We will write about bullet list. After that one, I will show how to create bullets and how to create numbering for that one. Is that clear? I will show how to create bullets and how to create numbers with you. Okay. First of all, write down this one. Okay. First of all, write down this one. While writing, I will show you. Okay. Write all of these things. Right. Bullet list means you can see a list like this. This type of list normally we are taking as a bullet. Okay. Bullet list is this type of list. Okay. Bullet list. Write down this all underline part. Bullet list. Okay. Use bullet when order doesn't matter. We don't care about order. What is the first one? What is the second one? What is the third one? No need to care about order when you are using bullets. Okay. When you are using bullets, no need to care about order. What is the first one? What is the second one? What is the third one? Like that. Okay. You just go with the, like here, apples, banana, mangoes. You just go with some list. Okay. No need to consider about order. Okay. That's thinking about the bullet list. Okay. For example, we can take apple, banana, mangoes, like this kind of list. Okay. This kind of list normally we are considered as bullets. Okay. Use bullets when the order is doesn't matter. We doesn't care about the order. Okay. And to add bullet, you have to click where you wanted to start your list. Okay. You have to click where you wanted to start your list. And go to the top menu, click the bullets button. Okay. Like in the, it's you like as a dots. Okay. Type the first item, press enter, type the second item, type the next item like that. You can create bullet like that. Okay. Just write down this one. I will show you. Okay. I will show you how to create a bullet. First of all, write these all things. Okay. Before that one, I will show how to create bullets. Okay. Okay. Write down this one. I will show you how to use bullets with the word application. I will show how to create a bullet list and other thing. I will show that. I will show for you. I take a blank document like here. Okay. Here, I take a blank document. I wanted to create a bullet list. Okay. What are they have? They are, for example, we are taking mangoes, banana, and apples. Okay. No need to consider about list. Okay. Don't think about the order. Okay. No need to consider about order. I wanted to type as apple, banana, and mangoes. Okay. I go there. I wanted to write apple, banana as mango. Okay. First of all, you can see they are having three dots. There are icon for three dots like here. I click on here. Okay. When you click, you can see they are having a dot like this. So I write apple. When you enter, click enter, it's go for the next one. Is that clear? Next one, banana. First, after entering, it go for the next thing. mango. Okay, like that one, you can create what bullet. If you want something more, pineapple. Okay, like that one, you can enter many more grapes. Okay, like here, you can enter what bullet list like here. What are the steps? You have to click on this three dot icon. Okay, three dot icon, and when you select the bullet, you can see they are having dot, and after that one, you can create it. If you want, you can select all and change the font color. If you want, you can change the font color for red. Any other you can take if you wanted to create green, black, blue, any color you can change. Clear? You can change the color. If you want, you can, as previously, you can change the font style if you want. If you want, you can change the font style. Clear? If you want, you can change the font style. If you want to take a background like here, you can do edits after that one. Okay. However, this type of thing we are taking as a bullet. If you wanted to create this one as a number, you take it as a number. When you click on these numbers, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called in numbering. The other thing is bullets. This kind of dot icon we calling as what? Bullets. Is that clear? With dot icon we calling as what? What is the name? Bullets. Okay, bullets. That one is taken as a that icon list. If you wanted to take in a list, you wanted to take what bullets. Okay, can you please write down this one? All of this. How to create a bullet list? Use bullets when you order, doesn't matter. If there are doesn't matter about order, you can take the bullet. For example, you can take apple, banana, mangoes. This is for example. To add bullet, you have to click where you wanted to start your list and go to the top menu and click bullets button. It like just like show the dots. And finally, type your first item, press enter to the next item, press enter for the next item. Like that one, you can create a bullets. Okay. Please write down how to create a bullet here. So today lesson. Okay. How to enter a bullet list. Okay, please do your workbook activities. I wanted to check it. Okay, you have to share. First of all, you should be do that one. I wanted to check that one later on. Okay. Okay, please write down these things. I'll check later on. Okay, here the bullet list. Use bullet when your order is doesn't matter. If there are order doesn't matter, you have to go for the bullets. You can think about bullets when order is doesn't matter. If you don't care about order, you can think about bullet. Okay, don't make noise. Don't make noise. Just write down this one. Okay. Just write down. Don't make any noise. No need to talk. Okay, last row. No need to talk. Okay. Just write down. Okay. Write. Write in the book. Okay. After you have to do your workbook activities. Okay. You can continue your workbook activity. I want to check that. Okay. Write these things. Right. Okay. Don't make noise. Right. Okay. Right there. Actually, bullet is a list. Okay, this kind of thing we take it as a bullet. Bullet is actually a list like this. Write down, right. Don't make any noise. Okay, right. Right, Uday. Okay, right. Okay, you should be know. Okay, what is the bullet list? Bullet list, it's icon list like here. You can see that icon list. Something like that. We are taking as a bullet list. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Write down the bullet list. We when we are using bullet list, the order is doesn't matter. But if you wanted to create a list like one by one by one, you have to use bullet icon like here. Okay. When you're creating a list like here, one after one, you have to use the icon of bullets like that. So here, order is doesn't matter. You have to think about bullets like it. Okay, like in apple, banana, mangoes. Like these things you can use bullets. Okay, right? Apples, banana, mangoes, like that. Normally, for bullets, we are using the icon like here, this dot icon. For bullets, we are using this dot icon. Okay, this icon of dot is using for bullets. Okay, right. Okay, write down bullet is like that. Okay, we will see later thing in the next.